Hi, I'm Ashley from Through the Loop Yarn Craft, and today we're going to be making the Irelyn Wrap. I love this wrap. I especially wanted to make sure that it could be worn all seasons and be versatile for the spring and the summer, as well as the fall, and even used as a scarf in the winter. This wrap is also nice and fun because of the extra long size. It's about 11 inches wide, and I made mine to be 85 inches long, but it is super easy to adjust the sizing, and you can shorten it or make it longer, just depending on when you stop your repeats. It's a really quick make with only a 1-row repeat and basic stitches. For this design, I used worsted weight yarn. This was originally designed for the yarn subscription box from Avery Lane Creations. And so I used some of her hand-dyed gorgeous superwash merino yarn. If you head over to my blog, you can also see some of the pictures from my testers and how their Irelyn wrap looked in solid colors and some different types of yarn. I also used my 6mm Furls Odyssey crochet hook, and of course I had to pick one that matched with the yarn, and then you'll need your scissors and your yarn needle for weaving in ends. And if you like this video, please go hit that subscribe button and tap that like, let me know. And I'd love to see some of your finished makes. You can tag me over on Instagram or pop by the Facebook group. So if you're ready to grab your supplies, and we will get started making the Irelyn wrap. All right, so to begin, we're going to start with our slip knot. And we're going to start with a chain of 66. Okay, so now we have our chain of 66. We're going to half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and then we're going to chain 3, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and half double crochet into the next chain. And chain 3, skip 3 chains again, and half double crochet into the next. Chain 3, skip 3, and half double crochet into the next. And we will repeat that all the way across. So go ahead and finish your first row, and I will meet you back here. Okay, so I'm just about to make my last half double crochet of this row right into that last chain. And I will chain 1, and there we go, we have row 1 complete. So now we will turn and begin row 2. Now row 2 is our repeat row. What we will do for row 2, we will continue to do for the remainder of the rows for however long you want it to be. So for row 2, we're going to be making our half double crochets in the back loop only. So if we hold this up, we can see here we've got our V where we normally go under, and in here is the back loop. So every time we make a double or a half double crochet, we're going to be inserting into the back loop only. So to begin, we're going to half double crochet into the back loop only of that first stitch there. So right there we go. Then we will chain 3, skip that chain space, and half double crochet into the next half double crochet in the back loop only. So again, into that back loop there, and chain 3. So we will repeat that all the way across to the end of row 2, and I will meet you right back here. Okay, so here I am about to do the last stitch of the second row, and we'll just go into that last back loop only. You can see right there. And chain 1. And there we go. So as you can see, going through that back loop only gives it some really nice texture. And as it grows, you really start to see the nice pattern it creates. So now we're ready to continue repeating row 2. And I did a total of 125 rows. You can keep it to that, or you can do a little less if you prefer. So go ahead, keep repeating until you get your desired length, and I will meet you back here to finish off the last row. Okay, so I'm ready for my last stitch of that last row. And there we go. And that's it. Then you can just weave in your ends and you're all done. Now I kind of like how it kind of bunches up and stretches when needed. If you so desire, you can block your finished piece to give it a little bit more of a sturdy finish. But otherwise, you are all done with your Irelyn wrap. So mine is nice and long, so it'll work well for the spring or fall, whenever you see fit. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed making the Irelyn wrap with me. Thank you so much for joining me. And please remember, if you do like this video, I appreciate that subscribe and that like to let me know that you're enjoying it. And if you would like to see more patterns and tutorials, you can also head over to my blog where you'll find the free written version of this pattern as well to follow along with, and lots of other great patterns and tutorials. Thanks again so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!